pollution that jets produce, and one of the first is the E-Fan-X. It's a collaboration between Airbus, Rolls-Royce, and Siemens, and is a hybrid jet. Based on a BAE 146, one of its turbofans has been replaced by a 2,700 horsepower electric motor, and the intent was for its first test flight to take place in 2020. Due to the coronavirus pandemic, the program was indefinitely suspended, but the plans are to restart it as soon as possible. The fact that it's possible, though, proves that it won't be long until other manufacturers begin trying to do the same thing. And the days of large quantities of fuel being burned in the atmosphere could soon be over. Number 11. Airspace